Hey friends, if you want to know on how you can fix where camera is not working on your Windows, then please watch this video and I will guide you on how you can fix that. So how many times that you're trying to access into your camera and this is not working? Then what can you do? First is you need to make a restart of your Windows by right clicking at the start button, shut down or sign out and then restart your Windows. Usually a simple restart can fix a lot of issues in your Windows. So after you have restarted your computer and the issue has been fixed, then good. But if not, then move to the next methods. Second method is click on the start button and then click on settings. On the left pane in the list of options, click on privacy and security. Now scroll down and you'll find app permissions. Click on camera. Make sure that camera access is enabled. Let apps access your camera. If this is switched off, switch this on. Also for the applications that needs to access your camera like the Skype, Google Meet, or any other applications, you have to enable that. Now once done, simply close this window. Then in the Windows search bar, type here camera. Right click on it and then select app settings, or you can just simply click on app settings on the right pane. Then make sure for the app permissions, make sure that all of these are switched on. Make sure all of these are switched on. Then for the background app permissions, make sure that you are not going to choose never. It's either always or power optimized, but you have to go with always. Then simply scroll down and you'll find this repair button. If this app isn't working right, we can try to repair it. The app's data won't be affected. Click on repair. Now, once you have clicked on repair, you have to click on reset and then reset once again. So once done, simply close this window and then just make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and then restart your Windows. Next method is we need to make a right click at the start button and then in the list of options, click on device manager. Now here in the device manager window, if you cannot find your camera, right here, your cameras, simply click on your Wi-Fi name and then click on action and then click on scan for hardware changes. And once your camera is back, click on this, make a right click on this one, and then select update driver. Search automatically for drivers. Now the best drivers for your device are already installed. Simply close this. And once you have updated your camera driver, try to launch or open the camera again if this is working this time. If not, then simply go back to the same device manager window. Right click at your camera and then select disable. Click on yes. Wait for some time. And then make a right click on it again and then select enable. So once done, close this window. And also you need to make sure that your Windows is up to date. So click on the start button, go to settings. On the left pane in the list of options, click on the Windows Update. That is the last option there. Now here, click this button and checking for any updates. So this will download and install the latest update for your Windows. As also outdated Windows can also cause different issues. So you have to make sure your Windows is updated. So once done, simply close this window and then try to access your camera and see if it is working this time. So I hope this video helped you. Please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.